Welcome to Phulwari Education. Unit 3. Nature. Lesson 19. The prehistoric animals. More than 90% of species that have lived over the course of Earth's 4.5 billion year history are extinct. Our planet has preserved evidence of these prehistoric animals in form of bones, footprints and other fossil remains. The woolly mammoths were the prehistoric ancestors of elephants. They lived in Africa, Europe, Asia and North America and disappeared about 3 or 4 million years ago. Saber-toothed tigers were fierce hunters like modern tigers. Woolly rhino, the ancestor of rhinoceros, lived in the Ice Age. The fur on its body helped it to cope with the cold. Megatheriums were huge, nearly 12 to 15 feet, elephant-sized, ground sloths endemic to South America. The Eohippus was a dog-sized ancestor of the horse. Booster dose. India gives elephant National Heritage Animal status on 22nd October 2010.
Like, share and subscribe.